A Health Medical School Teacher-Educator Guide. Chapter 1. Health Teachers in Grade School plus the Teachers for Medical Occupations. Health Teacher/Health Educator. There is health education for a career in the medical field. There is also health education that is mostly health classes taught in grade school and health classes given to the general public out in the community. This is often called public health education. There are health educators and health teachers out there. You have to get a health education degree if you want a job teaching healthy living. You can get a degree in health education and teach health education at a grade school, a retirement center or a community health center. You could get several degrees then teach people who are studying for career in one of the medical fields. There is a journal called Academic Medicine. The few health education organizations. Shape America, Society of Health and Physical Educators. 1900 Association. Drive. Reston, Virginia 20191-1599. 703-476-3437. Fax, 703-476-6638. ShapeAmerica.org. ShapeAmerica.org/publications/resources/default.aspx. ShapeAmerica.org/publications/resources/teaching tools/teacher-toolbox/teachers_toolbox_pete_hetty.aspx. csuchico.edu/hcsv/career_info/health_education.shtml. operd.org/ae/association for health education. abhes.org, Accrediting Bureau of Health Education Schools. ncha.org, National Center for Health Education. nchec.org, the National Commission for Health Education. Accrediting Bureau of Health Education Schools. 803 West Broad St. Number 730. Falls Church, Virginia 22046. 703-533-2082. abhes@arls.com. abhes.org. Health Educator Teacher Job School websites. stats.bls.gov/oco/ocos069.htm. aafp.org/online/en/home/clinical/research/training/career-dev-pcps.html, Career Development Awards for primary care physicians who are teachers. operd.org/AE, American Association for Health Education. ahc.northark.edu/senior_education.htm, senior health education. ahc.utah.edu, Eastern Utah Area Health Education Center. ahelp.org, Alaska Health Education Library. ashaweb.org, American School Health Association. astdhppe.org, the Association of State and Territorial Directors of Health Promotion and Public Health Education. caahep.org, Commission on Accreditation of Allied Health Education. chef.org, Comprehensive Health Education Foundation. cohoti.org, Council of Healthcare Occupations Teachers. csuchico.edu/hcsv/hejobs.html, Health Education Career Opportunities. ecpaahec.org, Health Education Center. education.nyu.edu/hepar, Health Education Professional Resources. educationworld.com. ej.org.uk, Health Education Journal. emeraldinsight.com/he.hdm, Health Education Information. en.wikipedia.org/wiki/health_education, Health Education in School. flipdog.com/job/online-health-teacher. glencoe.com/sec/health/careers/health/career_health.html. glencoe.com/sec/health/teacres. glencoe.com/sec/health/teacres/organizations, Glencoe Health Teacher Resources. hea.org.uk, Health Education Authority. hillel.com, Health Education Alliance for Life and Longevity. Health Educator Programs. healthalliance.com. health-ed.com, Health Education Network, Mental Health Seminars, Health Seminars. health-ed.org, Robert Crown Center for Health Education. healthcorp.com, Health Education Corporation. healthcouncil.org, Health Education Council. healthtrust.com, the Health Education Trust, providing an online resource for school nutrition and health issues, British charity. healtheducation.com.au, health education professionals in Australia and NZ. healtheducationadvocate.org. healtheducationanswers.com. healthUCATIONcenter.org, the Ruth Lilly Health Education Center, Indiana. health-education-curriculum.radio.volbjik.pl. healthlibrary.com, free animated health videos for health education. healthteacher.com. healthworldoutreach.org, Health Education Museum. heb.sagepub.com, Health Education and Behavior Journal. hebrews.com/hphs/pdf/hphs.pdf, Health Education Board Scotland. hej.org.uk, Health Education Journal. her.oupjournals.org, Health Education Research. her.oxfordjournals.org, Health Education Research Journal. ihec.org, Illinois Health Education Consortium. jobs.collegegradcom/mt/education/post-secondary-education/job.asp?job=health-spec-heal-tis-teacher. jobs.guardian.co.uk/job/629323/teacher-of-health-and-social-care. ltsn-01.ac.uk, Centre for Medical Education and Health Informatics, University of Newcastle. mcw.edu, Medical College of Wisconsin. metrokc.gov/health/educators. mffh.org, Missouri Foundation for Health. michiganteacher.net/health.html. midmoahec.org, Mid-Missouri Area Health Education Center. mtn.merit.edu/health.html, Michigan Teacher Network. muhealth.org/omen/ Office of Medical Education Newsletter. nahac.org, National Association of Health Education Centers. nahec-wi.org, Northern Wisconsin Area Health Education Center, educates people to be health professionals. nationalahec.org, National Area Health Education Center. naturalhealers.com/feedhealtheducator.shtml, Health Educator Schools. nei.nih.gov/NAHP, National Eye Health Education Program. nichd.nih.gov/health/education. nlahec.org, North Louisiana Area Health Education Center. nnahec.org, Northern New Hampshire Area Health Education Center. nyu.edu/education/health/health, New York University, Department of Health Studies, Health Education Program. onlinecourse.com/education/teacherresources.htm. pamf.org/health, Health Education at the Palo Alto Medical Foundation. path.uab.edu/merit/publications_and_journals/health_sciences_education_journals/ medical teacher journal. pcreducator.com. pwahec.org, Piney Woods Area Health Education Center. ruralhealth.com. c.edu, Rural Health Education and Services, Kansas. sarahhaskell.com/educator/healthcare/gallery. school.discovery.com/shrockguide/health/medicine.html, guide for educators. sikahec.org, Southeastern Colorado Area Health Education Center. sfsu.edu/head, San Francisco State University, Department of Health Education. snhahec.org, Southern New Hampshire Area Health Education Center. safi.org, Society for Public Health Education. steinhardt.nyu.edu/hepar, Health Education Professional Resources. swlahec.com, Southwest Louisiana Area Health Education Center. tchsgothealth.com. teachhealth.com. teamsurvivornw.org, Northwest Team Survivor. Northwest provides a broad range of fitness and health education programs. uchsc.edu, Educators in the Health Professions. umassmed.edu/ahc, Massachusetts Area Health Education Center. whealth.org/teachers/guide/sponsors. wvsom.edu/ahc, Southeastern West Virginia Area Health Education Center. Academic Medicine Jobs/medical professor jobs/medical teacher jobs. aamc.org/services/career connect, Academic Medicine, the Association of American Medical Colleges. nchec.org, National Commission of Health Education Credentialing. academiccareers.com. academicjobs.in. academicjobscu.com. academicjobstoday.com. academickeys.com. americanjobs.com. careerbuilder.com/jobs/nc/keyword/adjunct-faculty. careerbuilder.com/jobs/nc/keyword/assistant-professor. careerjet.co.in/pharmacy-lecturer-jobs.html. columbia.edu/content/employment-columbia.html. dailyjabads.com/jobs-in-ri-medical-college-surgodha. education.academickeys.com/browse_by_field/teacher_education. educationaljobsinindia.com. educationcrossing.com. ejobtimes.com/india/job-vacancies/medical-faculty. emory.jobs. forums.studentdoctor.net, threads/becoming a medical school professor .692309/ hiredjobs.com. indeed.co.in/medicine-faculty-jobs. indeed.com/q-academic-scholar-assistant-professor-jobs.html. indeed.com/q-college-professor-jobs.html. indianfaculty.com/faculty_jobs/current_jobs1/current_jobs1.html. insidehired.com. jobrapido.com/jobs+medical+faculty. jobs.monster.com/v-education-q-professor-jobs.aspx. jobs.salary.com/job-openings/education-jobs.html. jobs.sciencecareers.org/jobs/immunology/faculty. jobs.sciencecareers.org/jobs/life-sciences/faculty. linkedin.com/job/q-university-professor-jobs. mcw.edu/medical-school/educational services/faculty-development resources/mentor program/d. mcw.edu/medicine/dom-medical-student-programs.htm. med.uc.edu. medicine.uiowa.edu. uchospitals.edu. unijobs.com. unijobs.com/university_jobs_search.php. Academic Pediatric Association, APA. 703-556-9222. Fax, 703-556-8729. 6728 Old McLean Village Drive, McLean. VA 22101. A website for teachers or professors who teach med school courses. academicpeds.org. academic-peds.org/education/education_other_resources.cfm. Health education websites at DMAS ODP. abhes.org, Accrediting Bureau of Health Education, ABHES, recognized by the U.S. Department of Education as an accrediting agency of post-secondary institutions and programs primarily in the allied health field. School listings, links to resources and reports. AmericanSeminar.com, American Seminar Institute, continuing medical and dental education courses available worldwide throughout the year. AUS.edu, American Institute of Health Sciences, a school in Long Beach that offers courses in pharmacy technician, research medical assistant and clinical research. CaregiverEducation.org, Institute for Caregiver Education, Inc. The institute provides continuing education and professional development for healthcare managers, a variety of basic education, ESL, and job skills training for long-term care employees. PA. Carolinas-Healthcare.org/Carolinas-College-of-Health-Sciences, Carolinas College of Health Sciences, programs in medical technology, nursing, radiologic technology, surgical technology, phlebotomy and individual, general education classes. Information about schedules and application information are offered. cme.hsc.usf.edu, University of South Florida Professional Education. The University of South Florida's CPE department offers live continuing education courses for healthcare professionals. cnicollege.edu, CNI College provides training and placement to students who wish to pursue occupations in the healthcare industry. EducationResourcesInc.com, Education Resources, Inc., source for educational seminars for physical therapists, occupational therapists, speech-language pathologists. Medfield, Ma. GLIT.org, Great Lakes Institute Career Training and Development, offering career training in dental, medical, and veterinary assisting, surgical technology, massage therapy and cosmetology professions. Erie, Pennsylvania. glseminars.com, Physical and Occupational Therapy Seminars, seminars given by Patrick Hoban, PT, ATC. Gurnick.edu, Gurnick Academy of Medical Arts, offers ultrasound technician, medical assistant, and phlebotomist programs. Includes academic requirements, program information, and fees. San Mateo, California. LifeSupportServicesInc.com, Life Support Services, Inc., offers a variety of educational and consulting services for healthcare professionals and institutions. LongTermCareEducation.com, Long-Term Care Education, learn about continuing education units, college courses, key books and publications and state-by-state requirements for nursing home and assisted living administration. MedSeminars.net, MedEd Seminars, offers continuing education seminars on-site and throughout the United States for nurses, nurse practitioners, physician assistants, nurse anesthetists and respiratory therapists. Includes lists by title and location, bookstore, and faculty qualifications. Medicsy.org, Medical Education Cooperation with Cuba, offers elective experiences in Cuba for students in the health sciences working towards academic degrees in the United States and Canada. Michener.ca, the Michener Institute for Applied Health Sciences, post-secondary educational institution which offers courses and programs in healthcare disciplines at entry and graduate levels. Provides full and part-time, continuing and distance education. Toronto, Ontario, Canada. NHPHC.org, Hospice, Palliative and Home Care Speakers Bureau, professional, seasoned and successful speakers all of whom have been published. Speaker provides a clear contract, including handouts required for CEUs and CMEs. NW.edu, Northwest College of Dental and Medical Assistants, accredited school for medical and dental assistant, pharmacy technician, medical receptionist, optometric technician, nursing assistant and other related fields. 4 locations in California. Phlebotomy.com, Center for Phlebotomy Education, an educational resource for those who perform, teach, and supervise phlebotomy. Offering conferences, workshops, posters, and literature and expert witness services. Prosport.com, ProSport, continuing education for sports chiropractors, physical therapists, and doctors through classes and seminars. RMUOHP.edu, Rocky Mountain University of Health Professions, providing master's and doctoral education to allied health professionals using a distance learning model. Provo, Utah. SEASONS-SEMINARS.com, Seasons Geriatric Care Management, continuing education provider for nursing home administrators and other healthcare professionals. Includes list of seminars. Symposiumedicus.org, Symposiumedicus.org, continuing medical education for physicians, nurses and other healthcare professionals. TCHPeducation.com, Twin Cities Health Professionals Education Consortium, offers continuing education courses for nurses and allied health professionals online and at St. Paul, Minnesota. Includes list of courses, calendar, and registration information. UniversityLearning.com, University Learning Systems, Inc., offering seminars about evidence-based drug information to healthcare professionals, with details of locations and courses. Chapter 2. Some medical teacher jobs. Health promotion career/community teacher. A health promotion worker is often a nurse or a social worker who works for the government, a non-profit organization or even a for-profit company. Their objective is to target a group of people and try to enlighten them about healthy living, like helping seniors have better health, teaching safer sex to youth, or encouraging prostate exams for men over 50. Schools of public health often teach health promotion. hpcareer.net. ABI.org, American Academy of Health Behavior. AJHB.org, American Journal of Health Behavior. AJHP.hpcareer.net, the American Journal of Health Promotion Career Services. American.edu. CHES.ua.edu/health/PhD/PhD_health_resources.htm, Health Sciences. Coastal.edu/health-promo/career.html. healthpromotionjournal.com. hes.cahs.colorado-state.edu/undergraduate/advising/career-opportunities.aspx. hpcareer.net. hpcareer.net. hpcareernetwork.com. llu.edu/llu/sph/hpro/career.html. onplanning/ peercareer.appstate.edu/pagesmith/103. schooledudir.com/careereducation/careereducati. semo.edu/study/health-promotion/careers.htm. uni.edu/coe/health-promotion_ed/health_promotion_career.shtml. usbhsengineers.org/career development. welcoa.org/free-resources/index.php ?category =14, Wellness Councils of America. Health promotion is an increasingly popular career field. What is publichealth.org/careers? Public health education career/public health teacher jobs. SAFE.org, Society for Public Health Education. AFA.org, American Public Health Association. aperd.org/ai/template.cfm, American Association for Health Education. ashaweb.org, American School Health Association. dhope.org, Directors of Health Promotion and Education. nyu.edu/education/hepar, Health Education Professional Resources. medhunters.com. neoucom.edu/mph, NE Ohio University's Masters of Public Health. jhsbh.edu/hao/phehp, Public Health Education and Health Promotion. safi.org, Society for Public Health Education. hhs.gov, US Department of Health and Human Services. aperd.org, American Alliance for Health, PHYS Ed, Recreation, and Dance. operd.org/ai/template.cfm, American Association for Health Education. ashaweb.org, American School Health Association. dhope.org, Directors of Health Promotion and Education. nyu.edu/education/hepar, Health Education Professional Resources. medhunters.com. neoucom.edu/mph, NE Ohio University's Masters of Public Health. jhsbh.edu/hao/phehp, Public Health Education and Health Promotion. hhs.gov, US Department of Health and Human Services. wellnessconnection.com, Wellness Connection, Health and Fitness Jobs. Allied Dental Educator job websites at explorehealthcareers.org/career/dentistry/allied-dental-educator. adea.org, American Dental Education Association. Childbirth Educator jobs. childbirtheducation.org. International Childbirth Education Association. isa.org. healthsciences.academickeys.com, Academic Keys post job announcements in higher education, select the academic field of nursing to see positions in your field. Diabetes Educator Associations and Organizations. aadenet.org, American Association of Diabetes Educators, AADE. adea.com.au, Australian Diabetes Educators Association, ADEA, Australia. ncbeta.org, National Certification Board for Diabetes Educators, NCEBT. alamo-aade.org, Alamo Association of Diabetes Educators, AADE, San Antonio, Texas. ADU.net, Association of Diabetes Educators in Utah, ADEU. ci-ade.org, Channel Islands Association of Diabetes Educators, CHED, Ventura, Santa Barbara, and San Luis Obispo Counties, California. AtlantaDiabetes.org, Greater Atlanta Association of Diabetes Educators, GAED. HaydenET.com, Heartland Association of Diabetes Educators, HAID, Nebraska, Western Iowa, and the surrounding areas. ModiOnline.org, Michigan Organization of Diabetes Educators, MODE. NHAID.org, New Hampshire Association of Diabetes Educators, NHAID. NCAID.org, North Carolina Association of Diabetes Educators, NCAID. ODENET.org, Oregon chapter of the American Association of Diabetes Educators. PENADA.org, Pennsylvania Association of Diabetes Educators, PENADE. Diabetes.org, San Francisco Bay Area Association of Diabetes Educators, San Francisco Bay Area, California. SWADE.org, Southeastern Wisconsin Association of Diabetes Educators, SWADE. WOAAID.org, Western Ohio chapter of the American Association of Diabetes Educators, WOAAD. CampKudzu.org, Camp Kudzu Camping and Health Education for Children with Diabetes. Atlanta, Georgia. Health Psychology Jobs. MentalHelp.net. Click on Jobs under Mental Health Net, right side of page. Positions listed are for therapists, case managers, counselors, social workers, psychologists, psychiatrists, and other human services. Chapter 3. A Medical Education Website Guide at feedspot.com. Medical education websites from blog.feedspot.com/medical_education_blogs. BMC Medical Education. bmcmededuc.biomedcentral.com/articles. blog.memutopia.com. broomdocs.com. challengercme.com/blog. easylearnmedicalterms.wordpress.com. education.medicaldialogues.in. historyofvaccines.org/blog. isenetblog.royalcollege.ca. kevinmd.com/blog/category/education. littlebigmed.com/category/medical-education. martinverbeek.com/blog. medibuddy.co.uk, medicalopedia.org, medicalstudent.thq.com, medicine.iu.edu/blogs, mickeylieberman.com, ppemedical.com/blog, sciencedaily.com/news/health_medicine/medical_education_and_training, scopeblog.stanford.edu/category/medical-education. A list of medical education podcasts at blog.feedspot.com/medical_education_podcasts. Anchor.fm/run-the-list. Curbtobe.com/archives. mcrit.org/category/mcrit. kalimpodcast.libzn.com. medicalducatian.podbean.com. nbmedical.com/nbpodcasts. neiglobal.libzn.com. podomatic.com/podcasts/medias-tmids. podtail.com/it/podcast/medical-education-audio. soundcloud.com/user-663288011. soundcloud.com/mountainlion-2. stanfordmedcast.podbean.com. ttmacademy.podbean.com. A list of medical education news websites at feedspot.com/news/medical_education. BMC Medical Education. bmcmededuc.biomedcentral.com. kevinmd.com, Education. kevinmd.com. Medicalopedia, the medical blog of the health and fitness industry. medicalopedia.org. ICE blog. icenetblog.royalcollege.ca. Medical topics. mickeylieberman.com. A list of health education websites at blog.feedspot.com/health_education_websites. ahealthblog.com. alaskasleep.com/blog. americanbonehealth.org/blog. betterbones.com. blog.mission-health.org. blog.orchardhospital.com. blog.zrtlab.com. brainhealtheducation.org. childrenswi.org/newshub. credihealth.com/blog. drugtuts.com/en/drugtuts-news. familydoctor.org. fit4d.com/blog. health.harvard.edu/blog. healthexporesources.com. healthresource4u.com. healthskills.wordpress.com. healthywomen.org. helplibrary.blogspot.com. historyofvaccines.org/blog. johnbarron.org. keephealthyliving.com. lunginstitute.com/blog. marksdailyapple.com. medtalks.in. melanomaducatian.net/blog. mentalhealtheducationnimhans.org. nodimitoteach.com. nourishinteractive.com/blog. nutritionpair.com/blog. onemedical.com/blog. pheamerica.org. riairdeucatian.com. science-health_medicine/public_health_education. sextcenter.org. sexetcetera.org. sinussurvival.com. slowchathealth.com. safi.org. soundhealthdoctor.com. talkhealthpartnership.com/blog. teens.drugabuse.gov/blog. thehealthteacher.com/blog. visioncaregivers.org/blog. whepducom.blogspot.com. Chapter 4. A Nursing Educator Job Guide. Nursing Teacher Job Websites. American Nurses Association. nursingworld.org. American Association of Colleges of Nursing, AACN. 1 DuPont Circle, NW, number 530. Washington, D.C. 20036-1120. 202-463-6930. info@aacn.ncha.edu. aacn.ncha.edu. American Nurses Association, ANA. 8515 Georgia Avenue No. 400. Silver Spring, Maryland 20910-3492. 800-274-4262. Member info at ana.org. nursingworld.org. Nursing educator / nursing teacher / nurse teacher at Nurse College. Teach at nursing school or continuing education. nursingfacultyjobs.com. nursingfacultyjobs.com. Positions in nursing education from nln.org, National League for Nursing. The Voice of Nursing Education. aacn.ncha.edu, American Association of Colleges of Nursing. journalofnursingeducation.com. nnsdu.org, National Nursing Staff Development. nursingcenter.com. nursingeducatoronline.com. slacking.com/allied/jsen/jsenhome.htm, Journal of Continuing Education in Nursing. Nurse Educator job websites at explorehealthcareers.org/career/nursing/nurse-educator. nursesource.org/nurse_educator.html, career information, resources, and funding opportunities. nln.org, National League for Nursing. anpd.org, Association for Nursing Professional Development.